Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see how to freeze rows and columns. By freeze, what do I mean? Usually when you scroll to the right, you'll notice that the first column has disappeared, and when you scroll down, the first row has disappeared. Right? What if you want them fixed even while you're scrolling? What if you want them to be visible? So how do we do that? So for that, you go to the top, under View tab, under Windows, there's something called Freeze Panes. Click on that. There's an option called Freeze Top Row if you want to freeze the top row. So once you click there, you'll see that even if you scroll down, the top row remains visible. And if you want to unfreeze, you can again go to the freeze panes option, and there's unfreeze panes. Click on that. And if you want to freeze the first column, you can select freeze first column in the drop down. So you'll notice that when you scroll to the right, the first column remains visible. What if you want to freeze the first row and the first column? For that, you place your cursor at the intersection, right? The first cell after the row that you want to freeze, and the first cell after the column that you want to freeze, just before the intersection, and click on freeze panes. So you'll notice that if you scroll to the right, the first column remains visible, and if you scroll down, the first row remains visible. So that's how you freeze the headers. Hope you liked it. I'll see you in the next video.